So students, the last topic for this chapter is effect of heat on nitrate. So basically you need to take various nitrates and this table you need to remember. So I am first of all making that table. You need to remember potassium, sodium, then calcium, this is the table you need to remember. This series, this is known as the activity series, and this you will or you might have studied in electrolysis chapter. So in this you need to remember that you will take the nitrates of all these salts, you will take their corresponding nitrates. Clear? So for first of these two nitrates, like if you are taking KNO3 and NaNO3, and if you are applying heat over it, what will happen? You will get KNO2, NaNO2 plus oxygen and plus oxygen. Clear? So what is being asked here in exams, give the name of a nitrate which decomposes to give a gas, which decomposes to give only a single gas which is a supporter of combustion. So only these two nitrates are there which give only a single gas, which release only a single gas which is a supporter of combustion. Oxygen is obviously a supporter of combustion. Then we'll take the nitrates from calcium to copper. So from calcium to copper, all the nitrates if we take. Clear? So I am taking of calcium and copper only. Calcium nitrate and then copper nitrate. Sorry students, I am not balancing these all things, you need to balance it by yourselves. I am just teaching the concepts. So if you take both these nitrates and if you are applying heat to it, what you will get is you will get corresponding oxides. So here you will get calcium oxide and here you will get copper oxide. Then in both the cases you will get oxygen and NO2. Here also you will get oxygen and NO2. So what is the thing you can see here? Here for potassium and sodium you got corresponding nitrites. Nitrites are obtained from nitrates for the first two metals of activity series. Then from calcium to copper, what you will obtain is corresponding oxides, oxygen and nitrogen dioxide. Then for silver, mercury and these last three, when you will apply heat, okay, like I will take HgNO3, AgNO3, and if you are supplying heat to it, what you will get is you will get corresponding metal only, Hg, Ag, oxygen and nitrogen dioxide, and here oxygen and nitrogen dioxide. Clear? You can see the difference. Here only oxygen gas, then here nitrogen dioxide, oxygen both, nitrogen dioxide, oxygen both, then here nitrites, here the metal oxides, and here just the metal. You keep on reducing. Here N and O both are there, here only O is there, and from here O is also removed. So this way you can find some strategy to remember it. Then the last one you need to by heart this. Ammonium nitrate. Ammonium nitrate, whenever you take, when you supply heat to ammonium nitrate, you will get nitrous oxide and water. This is very important question because it is being asked which is the nitrate that decomposes to release laughing gas. Laughing gas, this nitrous oxide is a laughing gas which when exposed you all start laughing without any reason, so and you will continuously laugh. So therefore this is known as laughing gas. This N2O stimulates us to laugh. So the nitrate which decomposes to give laughing gases or nitrous oxide gas is ammonium nitrate. So we are done with this chapter.